Hi, this is David from Smart World. I'm testing the App2Car device and to show you and answer a question that I commonly have from customers. So the customer says, if I have the App2Car device installed in my car, how can I receive and make calls via Bluetooth? So the answer is very easy. Once you have the App2Car installed in your car, this device has a button called BT phone. What you do is you simply pair your mobile phone with this device via Bluetooth. So when an incoming call comes, this device will answer your call and the call is going to come to your car speakers and everything is going to be as usual. So simply pair your device with App2Car via the Bluetooth with this device, with this application here called BT Phone, to pair your mobile phone with the App2Car. If you have any more questions, please go to www.smartworldcompany.com.